okujaguzo kukorirwa ha Hills View Gardens kandi John Paul Ninkusima omnyishenjero w'Ibanda South nwabira ryo mjenyi mukuru.
Akasenta kuba kubahereza nakache konkana n'obukara kache nakuta nako katebe kanse waza kulitayari gokashangeho waza kulitayari gokoreki okashangeho bura ho tubuzi okure ho tukoko ebintu nkebe nibyo bikwija kuyamba okugumana multiplying ascent ukashanga umwe kandi abashomesa nimbebaza munonga. You are our examples down there in the villages. Tumukufuna sente nyingi konka noshanga umushomesa aine henjiye nkokwera no kweri aine hakatoche kache aine ho umwe embuzi na niyo nkoko hakibuga tibukura yabireho owamani ushanga aine ente.
Needed by teachers to transform education in Uganda. 1. They need quality initial training and continuous professional development. Education transformation requires an adequate supply of well-qualified teachers with access to quality initial training and continuous professional development throughout their career. Our chief guest, you are aware that there is a new teacher policy. This new teacher policy will lead teachers trained for 4 years from now. The training has not started as of yet. That means in the next 4 years, schools shall lack teachers because we have the ones that will retire, the ones that will die, others that will abscond, and other natural effects.
Nechokureba kubaho strikes in case ureba president navugana abakuru ba inatu nabaganira. So dialogue is important. Nitekateka ngo haba hariho dialogue na umushahara w'umuhango nzakora ki tuzagubona tuzagumza mwito tugamberera mpaka ikintu kibonire. Dena haroki nareba aha
omukoro guguhirwe kitinisa abakuru kurwo mu district kandi Alex kwikiriza owainata kozisa kadishaka koreko byinza mutuma aha mushara gw'abasayansa.
All aware that all teachers matter and deserve to be treated with respect despite their line of expertise.
There was salary enhancement segregation between the teachers of arts and sciences. This demoralized the teachers affected and this may yield poor results.
A marked change, as you have heard from the talk from the United Chairperson who represents us at the national level.
Omuganda makuru mu ruhejo bwanyuma yo konjeza umushara gw'abashomesa ba science aba arts bakabarika kikaretaho kwebaganisa kandi Beatrice tumusimo rukure by'ubwegeso mu district age ayorekero butashemerwa.
Science teachers are now okay. Actually, we have a very big problem, chief guest. Now science teachers have a separate staff room and those of arts have a different one. So you can imagine what is taking place at school.
Abashomesa ba arts nibagera ngo nibeyanga kandi no murimo gwabo gukabatama ahabwa government okubashorora.
Konka government kongera abashomesa ba science omushara yasiga ba arts eki kintu kikareta obutakwatanisa omu bashomesa ba secondary ahabwo kubabona n'abashomesa
government pia kuranzia omushara y'abashomesa bona aba arts kukwekorira ba science icyo kikaturete rukubaje
abo cyo kugira ngo bashashure abasayansa boka ezo sente nyingi zityo nahura nayetamwa nayanga profession nayebuza nti nkore ki kugira ngo nkanta kwebasa no bunda abendi yo ninkora tinye kunzira toro.
Bonka twashanga mbashomesa mu bagamba mbajya ngo amashomera gabarumu tubacukwatanisa aba science na ba arts. Icyo ne kintekere unfortunately kandi ejo na police rero mu ihanga so twinokora namana munonga kuranga twagararaho ubuteka kwa kama sikagaruno nojangu president yaraganise kandi soko mukuru ataranto muyihuza itogwito no kwihuza kugira ngo na ba science achi implementing
amakuraga gashakwa Timothy Mushabe na Juliet Charsima.